All right, so on the camper, the wall is actually separating from the RV. And this is in the bathroom area, just behind the tire. It's where it's seen on mine. And I took the strip off and they got screws in here. And now originally I replaced them with these. That was just a quick stop on the road, tried to fix it. It didn't work. I got the longest screws I could then, but it didn't work. So here's the problem though. Here's the screws they're putting in there. And then here's how thick the wall is. So obviously you can see the issue. Essentially all this screw is holding on is this strip, which doesn't do anything. If that's all it's there for, it's just a look piece. It's not holding anything together. So what I did is I went out and I got these guys here. Okay. And they're at, what did it say? 3 inches long. So at 3 inches long, I'll be able to put these screws in and have about 1 inch penetration, which is what we should have had in the first place. I hope this helps other people. This is going to pull the wall in and shouldn't be any problem for us to get done.